take his little fella home and eat him. He's gonna be my second cicada to eat. He's gonna be an awesome cicada. I don't know. He's kind of dirty though. Isn't cicada so good though? Especially if you put chocolate on them. Chocolate is like the best. I don't know. I was kind of scared to eat the first cicada I had. It was actually scary. My belly hurts from eating it, but I guess I'm gonna eat a second one. Just to see how my experience goes with this one. I don't know if I should change it up and eat it with something else, but maybe I'll just eat it with chocolate again, just because I know it's safe. You know, cicadas are so awesome. This one's barely moving, so. You hear the noise of cicadas? Oh, no. They got moved again. So yeah, that's all. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm making this. No, not that far. No, not that far. Oh. Okay.